everybody, this is Amanda. Today we are going to be starting chapter 19, which is human biology, more specifically the control and development of the human body. The lecture today is going to help you understand the organization of the human body and how we maintain homeostasis. In our body, we have cells that are organized into tissues, organs, and organ systems. A tissue is a group of similar cells that performs a certain function. We have four main types of tissues in our body. The first is epithelial tissue, which is like our skin. The second is connective tissue, which is like our bone, cartilage, and blood. Third, we have muscle tissue, which is like in our skeletal, digestive, and cardiac systems. And fourth, we have nervous tissue, which is found in the brain, the spinal cord, and in our nerves. An organ is a structure in the body that has a specific function. Our tissues make up the organs that we have in our bodies, like our heart, our stomach, and our brain. And an organ system is responsible for a particular body function. When multiple organs work together, they make up our organ systems. And we have 10 major organ systems in our bodies. The first of which is our nervous system. Second, we have the sensory system. Third is our endocrine system. Fourth is the reproductive system. Fifth, we have the muscular and skeletal system. Sixth, we have the circulatory system. Seventh is our respiratory system. Eighth is the digestive system. Ninth is our excretory system. And finally, the 10th is our immune system. The next few sections will look at each system more in depth. And now on to homeostasis. Homeostasis is defined as the maintenance of a relatively stable internal environment, and homeostasis is a characteristic of all living organisms. Some examples of homeostasis include our body temperature, which stays close to about 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The oxygen levels in our blood, for instance, when we exercise, we use more oxygen, so our body makes us breathe harder to take in more oxygen. And a few more examples include the amount of water in our body, the concentration of ions inside and outside cells, and our blood pH. Okay, and feedback regulation describes a system of control in which changes in one variable affect a second variable, and changes in the second variable in turn affect the first variable. We see this when our body temperature tries to remain stable regardless of the outside temperature. When it's cold outside, we shiver to generate heat and warm up our body, and when it's too hot, our body starts to sweat, and when the sweat evaporates, it cools off our body. So he's shivering to make his body warm up, and he is sweating to help his body cool back down. And next we will go over our video resources. Thanks for listening.